The Viking's next evolution of pressurized wall cavity dryers, the new PDS-Pro. The lightweight and compact size to maximize storage space. With its revolutionary brushless motor technology, no more brush changes equals less maintenance costs and downtime, while delivering over 5,000 plus hours of motor life for the ultimate in ROI. For jobs requiring extra heat or those in colder environments, the PDS-Pro includes a bonus heating element to ensure optimal performance. New to the PDS-Pro is the variable heat control, allowing restorers to adjust both temperature and air velocity simultaneously. The PDS-Pro provides an easy-to-read digital display with precise variable speed control and added heat controller to fine-tune your drying needs. The wall drying kit includes all necessary accessories for easy operation and setup. Connect the nozzle adapter to the unit. Connect two main hoses to the W nozzle. Insert hose cuff at the end of the main hose. Insert hose connector and connect two main hoses. Cut tubing to the desired length and attach by inserting into the air outlet fittings. Drill a half-inch hole in the base of the wall to be dried and insert tubing. If the main hose does not need to be connected, insert the end cap at its end. Plug the power cord into a GFCI outlet and start working. Come dry with us at XPOWER.